I'll show you how to raise the feed dogs on your Singer sewing machine and how to set the correct height so the fabric moves smoothly. If they're out of adjustment and too low, the fabric won't move and will just stay in place. We'll turn the hand wheel and put the needle at its highest point. When the needle is at its highest, that's when the feed dogs are at their maximum height. Now look closely. You can see the feed dogs aren't protruding above the needle plate at all, meaning they can't grip or pull the fabric as they should. We'll begin by removing this part and lowering this section. Then right here on this side, we'll locate the mechanism responsible for raising and lowering the feed dogs. To access it and perform the adjustment, we must first remove these components. Next, we will remove the bobbin case along with the bobbin, then shift the openers to the side. Remove the hook retainer, which is this specific component right here. And finally, we will extract the hook and adjust the plastic openers. Specifically, move the right one inward because the internal mechanism is located right here on the right hand side. We'll locate this specific part, which is a screw that is being held in place by this nut. We need to loosen the nut just a little bit and then we can proceed to turn the screw. To make this whole process much easier, we are going to go ahead and remove this piece. To take it off, you just need to remove this one screw located at the very bottom. Using an open end wrench just like this one, we are going to loosen the nut. Go ahead and turn it to the left. Then, simply using your finger, continue turning it just a little bit more. Next, we need to reach in from the bottom and insert a screwdriver to adjust the screw. Carefully turn the hand wheel until the needle reaches its absolute highest point. At the same time, the feed dogs should also be in their highest possible position. Finally, we are going to shift the screw and turn it toward our right side to finish the adjustment process completely. You need to adjust it just enough so that the feed dogs reach the proper height. We will keep on turning the screw and watch as it slowly moves upward into place. Now we can clearly observe that the feed dogs are positioned at the correct height, which is exactly where the teeth begin to emerge. Their tips should be perfectly flush with the surface of the needle plate. Once we have achieved that precise alignment, we can proceed to firmly tighten the nut that secures the screw back into its original position. After we have finished tightening that nut, we can manually rotate the hand wheel to verify that the feed dogs consistently reach this exact height every single time. Next, we will reattach the bottom cover. This part needs to slide inward and then snap into place right here. And following that, we have the screw that needs attention. And we proceed to tighten it down firmly into place. After that, we carefully push the retainers back over to their original side, moving them all the way to the right. We carefully insert the hook or the shuttle, then we replace the hook retainer, close one opener, followed by the other, and finally insert the bobbin case along with its bobbin. Once all the necessary adjustments are fully completed, we place the material in position, lower the presser foot, and then step on the pedal to begin the sewing process. And we can see that the feed dog height adjustment on your Singer sewing machine is now absolutely perfect.